G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward everybody. Today I'm here to show you the big reveal of October Masterclass project, and this month we are making a bad boy. We are making a little raccoon, and I don't know why I haven't made one before. I absolutely love them as little characters in storybook. I always think that they're a bit naughty, so I have gone with that and created him to be a little bandit. I've affectionately called him Bandit and dressed him as a little inmate. So he's got some really cute accessories. He's right next to me here. Let's take a closer look. So allow me to introduce you to my little Bandit. Now he is a bit of a suspicious character. Not really. He's not a bad boy. He's just fallen in with the wrong crowd probably. He's a good boy. He's kitted out in his beautiful prison gear with his little undershirt that is included with this pattern. He's got his lovely little orange overalls as per the uniform, and also some very sweet little what I'll call prison slippers. He even has a little ball and chain just for a bit of fun. His head is made completely in mohair, his tail is mohair, and we have some fantastic posable little hands. Those arms can be posed in all sorts of ways, and certainly they are jointed at the wrists as well. So those little hands can, you know, give that little startled effect. I will certainly play with some photos with this one. And I have added little Racoon from my Mama and Baby series. I didn't even think of that until halfway through, and I thought that's the perfect little guy to sit in his pocket, his little partner in crime. And then I've added a little, I'll show you in Masterclass how to put together that little mugshot sign, and you can pop anything you like on that and really personalise this. Of course you can make this one up, not as a hardened criminal. You can make him up just in beautiful attire. A sweet little country boy would be lovely. It's a fully freestanding doll, which is beautiful. I love freestanding dolls. You'll find getting that balance is really easy because of the way we put him together. He's got blocked in feet, jointed shoulders, neck and wrists. So lots of fun, and you're really going to learn about some trimming mohair this month in Masterclass. So I hope I have tempted some of you with my little Bandit. I've had so much fun making all these different little accessories that we wouldn't normally see. I thank you for coming and checking him out. So what do you think of my little man? I hope you've enjoyed seeing him. Have you got a bad boy in your life? Because I do. I'm married to one. And I have 4 sons, and yeah, there are times. Love every one of them, and I am an absolute sucker for a bad boy. So this little Bandit is really close to my heart. I wonder what you're going to do with him. I do want to see him dressed up just as a sweet little man as well. I know that some of you will do that, and I've had the best time making him, as I said. So jump on to the links down below if you want to join Masterclass, or if you want to join our Facebook page, and then you'll be able to see what everybody else is doing, and certainly you'll see all of last month's projects coming up. So exciting to see everybody diving back to in the library of Masterclass. It's a great big library now. I'm really trying to give you all in Masterclass a really varied body of work, and when I sit back now and I look at it all and I look what you're all producing, it's really a great body of work with a whole lot of variety. So I'm trying to keep it that way, but I have loved this storybook vibe this month. I hope you do too. Look out for a free pattern project, a new doll for you all here free on Pay It Forward. It's either dropping right now or it will be in the next day or so. So I hope you enjoy that one. Everybody have a fantastic creative week. Keep on sharing your beautiful work on our Facebook page, and remember to always pay all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.